Hi, my name is Marley from First Drive, and today we're going to assemble our green one-seater Jeep. Let's get started. First, we're going to put on the front axle. Gotta line up everything perfectly. Then get the screw in there. All right, these are the 3 screws that we have, and this is the one we're going to start with, the 4x12. Next, this is for the front motor of the axles. We're using the same screw, the 4x12. Next, we're going to screw our bolt onto here to make everything in place. Use our added wrench. Next, we want to install our back axle. Make sure you got a good length on each side. Next, we install our rear bumper. It doesn't have any lighting, but when it got reflectors when the light hit it. And we're also using 4x12 screws. All right, this is both sets of our wheels. This one is for the front. You see the difference? This goes on the back because of the star pattern for the rear control motor. Before we use star front wheels, we had to use a washer and a nut. Make sure you have the washer the right way because it's the flat way and the round way. Then we put on into another washer. This is the flat, this is the round. Now we have our rim. Just line it up with the octagon. Make sure the flat side is on the back. And we put our nut on. And you screw the nut. You can use your own wrench, but I think it's best if you use this. Our rear wheels, star panel, goes right into here. We also have our added wrench that came in with it, but you can use your own if you want. I prefer this better. And you're not gonna be able to tighten it all the way up until you actually get the other wheel on, so you can hold it in place. You got 2 of these, it goes like this. All right, wait till I do it. Here we have our washer and our nuts. Make sure the flat side is sticking in. Use your rim. Add another washer. Make sure the flat side is in. And screw your nuts in. Here's your second wrench. You have to put it on both nuts so you can tighten the back axle. And I'm going clockwise. There you go. Here's our front bumper. This side is up. When you use the connector, make sure this is up, facing upwards. And then we screw it in. Now we had to pop the hood to connect the front bumper. All right, we're adding this onto there. Using the screw score, the 4 screws to screw it in, 4x12. Have it on top of each hole. And screw it. Then we use the top of our roll cage to connect it to the left side. You have to do it this way because it's much difficult trying to do it. Don't screw it in. Here, just basically pay attention to the color for the left side. The right side is always a different color. Because if you don't, one wheel is going to spin one way, the other wheel is going to spin the other. Done. Start our seat. You only need 2 screws for this. Last but not least, connect our positive wire. Power it on. Here we have our transmitter controller. The controllers may vary. P is for parking. S is for different types of speed. Then we have AAA batteries. And this is how you pair with the up and down buttons. Make sure the car is completely off. Hold it down until it starts blinking. Turn the car on. And there you go. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you need any help, you can contact us on ridefirstdrive.com.